Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Ring Doorbell Won't Connect to Wi-Fi. So recently most of the people has been facing this type of error in which they were not able to connect to the Wi-Fi no matter what they do. So in the end, in order to resolve this problem, the only method and the only solution that they find out is to simply restart their cell phone, and then this problem will be fixed. So in order to restart it, what you need to do is you need to simply undo the security screws and remove your doorbell from its bracket. After that, you need to press and hold the orange setup button on the back of your device and wait for 10 seconds. Then the light on the front of the doorbell will flash for several minutes. When the light turns off, the reset is complete. So if you want to reset the Ring Video Doorbell second gen, then you just have to simply follow the same steps. For Video Doorbell 2, you just have to simply find the setup button that would be in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then press and hold this setup button and wait for 10 seconds. So all in all, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button and wait for 10 seconds in order to reset or restart it. And then you just have to simply try to connect it with the Wi-Fi, and this problem will be fixed. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.